jerk shrimp RASTA pasta. An absolutely delicious, easy to make, life-changing dish. So starting off by getting our chopping out of the way, I'm going to chop up 2 spring onion stalks, and I'm also going to chop up half of a medium onion or 1 small onion. I find chopping, quite frankly, to be the most tedious part of the cooking process, so I usually just like to get it done right at the start so that you can actually get to cooking the delicious food. I'm also going to dice 2 garlic cloves. Then I'm going to slice my peppers. So one thing that makes this dish unique is all the colour that you get from the peppers. So here I'm using 3 different coloured peppers, but the total size of what I'm using, or the total amount of what I'm using, are 2 medium bell peppers. Now to season our shrimp. So I'm seasoning this shrimp with salt, pepper, garlic granules, all-purpose seasoning, and then the jerk marinade. Now the jerk marinade is very spicy, so you want to be careful how much of it you use. Separately, I'm also going to cook around 300 dry grams of penne pasta. Now I'm going to heat up a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and then I'm going to cook my shrimps. We cook the shrimps first because they cook very quickly and you don't want them to burn. So once these shrimps have cooked and, as you can see, release their own juices, we're going to save them for later. Now, adding some vegetable oil to the pot again, we're going to start off by cooking our garlic and our onions. After you've cooked these down for some time, we're then going to add in all of our colourful peppers. So we also want to cook these peppers down on a medium temperature for a few minutes. After some time, you want to add in your spring onions, and you also want to add in some thyme. It's actually preferable to use some fresh thyme. You do get a bit of a different taste when you have those. But I'll be honest with you guys, I forgot to buy that at the shop. Now we let this cook down for a few minutes longer, and then we add in our cream. The most popular cream to use is double cream, but it's also the fattest. So if you want to be a little bit more healthy, then you can go for single cream. I'm also going to add in about half a cup of some cheese. Use any cheese you like, mozzarella, cheddar, whatever floats your boat. Now mix this all together and allow it to cook down again for some minutes, and then we're going to add in some further seasoning. So I'm adding in some all-purpose, some salt to taste, and also that jerk marinade again. Now finally, we're going to cook this down for about 5 minutes. You should see it bubbling, it should be smelling good, you should be looking forward to eating it. And then we're going to add back in our cooked pasta. Don't forget the prawns from earlier on, we're going to add those in. Finally, I like to garnish my RASTA pasta with some parsley. I tried to be a little bit fancy here. I put a couple prawns on top, but to be honest, if I wasn't filming this video, I would have just chucked a whole lot in the plate. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.